Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a diagram. In this diagram, this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and the height of this length is 10 unit. We have to find the height of this length. At first, consider the base of this diagram is x. So this length consider as x. Now focus on triangle A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle. Now applying trigonometry here, we can write the tangent of this angle. This is tan of 30 degree is equal to height over base. Height of this triangle is 10 unit divided by base of this triangle is x, or tan 30 degree, this is 1 over square root of 3. Substitute the value of tan 30 degree is equal to right side 10 over x. Now applying cross multiplication, we will get the value of x. So x times 1, this is x, is equal to this 10 times square root of 3, this will be 10 times of square root of 3. This is the value of x. Now focus on triangle BC and consider this as D. So in triangle BCD, this is height CD and this BC is base of this triangle. So again applying this formula, tan of 60 degree. So tan of 60 degree is equal to height, this is is, over base, this is x, or tan 60 degree, we know the value, this is square root of 3, is equal to this is over, we have found x is equal to 10 times square root of 3. So substitute it here, we can write 10 times square root of 3, or applying cross multiplication here, this is 1. So ace times 1, this will be ace, is equal to this 10 square root of 3 times square root of 3. So this is 10 square root of 3 times this square root of 3 is equal to this 10 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. This is square root of 3 square. So square and square root will cancel and it will be 3, is equal to 10 times 3, this is 30. So height, this will be 30 unit. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.